In this video, I want to introduce the tabletop glasses display. It has two shapes, round and square. It is mainly used in scenic spots, railway stations and other public places. There are three specifications of this display stand: 36 pairs, 44 pairs and 52 pairs. It means 36 pairs glasses can be hung on one display stand. So you can choose the specifications according to the number of pairs or the height of the display stand. When you receive the display, it's such a box. Let's open it and have a look. First, there are 4 pieces boards. Lead screw. Turntable. Plastic base. MDF board. Accessories. Mirror. This is all the accessories we took out of the box. This is 4 pieces board. The buttons on the board have been installed. This screw rod is used to tighten 2 MDF boards. There is a slot in the MDF board. It will be easy to install 4 panels. The turntable and the plastic base will work together. iMake display can rotate 360 degrees. These 3 bags of accessories to be used together. I will show it later. Finally, these are 2 mirrors. Use them like this. Now, I show you how to install the display.